and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be using the James Charles palette to create a Valentine's Day. I'm gonna be going in with Pinkity Dinkity. I'm gonna be going in with Skip. We're going to love that. We're going in with Single. Now I'm gonna be going with the Shape Tape Concealer so I could cut the center so to create a halo eye. Now I'm gonna be going in with the same shade called Single. Now I'm going to take some glitter primer. Now I'm going to be taking my glitter. Now that I'm done with this eye, I'm gonna do the other eye and be my whole face, and then I'll be back to show you the final look.